NASA's role in the Bluebeam project. For decades, conspiracy theorists have whispered about a chilling plan designed to control the masses and usher in a new world order. This plan, known as Project Bluebeam, is said to be one of the most ambitious and sinister operations ever conceived. A psychological and technological manipulation of humanity on a global scale. But what most people don't realize is that NASA plays a central role in this covert agenda. While the world views NASA as an agency dedicated to space exploration and scientific advancement, behind closed doors, the agency has been quietly developing the technology necessary to implement Project Bluebeam. And if this project is ever fully unleashed, it could forever alter the course of human history. The origins of Project Bluebeam can be traced back to the early 1990s, when Canadian investigative journalist Serge Monast first exposed the alleged plan. According to Monast, Bluebeam was a four-stage operation designed to create a new global religion and establish a one-world government. But the true power behind Bluebeam lay in its use of advanced technology, holographic projections, mind control techniques, and artificial intelligence to deceive and manipulate the population on an unprecedented scale. The first phase of Project Bluebeam involved the creation of artificially engineered earthquakes at key archaeological sites around the world. These earthquakes, which would appear to be natural disasters, were designed to unearth ancient artifacts that would challenge established religious doctrines and sow confusion among the world's major religions. NASA's role in this phase was to use its advanced satellite technology to manipulate the Earth's tectonic activity, an ability that, while publicly denied, had been explored in classified projects dating back to the 1970s. The second phase of Bluebeam was perhaps the most audacious, an elaborate global light show designed to project holographic images into the sky. These holograms, generated by highly classified technology, would create the illusion of a divine figure appearing simultaneously in different regions of the world. Each holographic projection would be tailored to the dominant religious beliefs of the population in that area, Jesus, Allah, Buddha, appearing in the skies and delivering a unifying message. But this was no miracle. This was NASA's cutting-edge holographic projection technology in action. Classified documents suggest that NASA had been working on holographic projection systems since the 1980s, initially under the guise of developing new communication methods for space exploration. But insiders who had been part of these classified programs revealed that the technology had far more sinister applications. By using a combination of space-based lasers, ionospheric manipulation, and ground-based projectors, NASA could create realistic three-dimensional images that would appear indistinguishable from reality. And these projections wouldn't just be visual, they would also be accompanied by low-frequency sound waves that could implant messages directly into the human mind. The third phase of Project Bluebeam was designed to take control of the human psyche through advanced mind control techniques. Using low-frequency electromagnetic waves, NASA's classified technology would target the population's subconscious, implanting thoughts, feelings, and beliefs that aligned with the New World Order's agenda. These frequencies, transmitted through communication satellites and ground-based towers, would bypass the brain's natural defenses, making it nearly impossible for the average person to resist or recognize the manipulation. But the most terrifying phase of Project Bluebeam was the fourth and final stage, an artificial alien invasion that would unite humanity under a one-world government. NASA's classified space-based systems, equipped with advanced holographic and electromagnetic projection technology, would simulate a full-scale extraterrestrial attack on Earth. Cities around the world would witness fleets of alien craft descending from the skies, engaging in orchestrated battles that would terrify the global population into submission. Governments would declare martial law, and in the ensuing chaos, a new global order would be established, one where dissent was impossible and control was absolute. Insiders who have leaked information about Project Bluebeam have warned that the technology to execute these stages already exists. NASA's network of satellites, coupled with advances in AI, holography, and psychological manipulation, has created the perfect storm for implementing Blue Beam on a global scale. And while the public remains blissfully unaware, test runs of the technology may have already taken place. Mysterious lights in the sky, unexplained aerial phenomena, and the growing prevalence of unexplained alien encounters may not be the result of extraterrestrial activity, but rather the first stages of Blue Beam being quietly tested. As the world inches closer to a technological singularity, where the boundaries between reality and simulation blur, the possibility of Project Blue Beam becoming a reality looms larger than ever. Those who understand the true scope of this operation know that if Blue Beam is ever fully activated, it will mark the end of free thought, free will, and independent belief. Humanity will be united, but not by choice. And when that day comes, the terrifying question will no longer be whether we are alone in the universe. It will be whether we are truly in control of our own minds.